Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 3. Dear students, our today's topic is lesson 4, exercise 1 and 3. Today we are going to do, and this is our lecture number 6 and SW number is 5. Okay dear students, let's start our today's topic. Okay. Look, please follow the board. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about countable noun and uncountable noun. At first, we have to know what is countable noun. Dear students, from our book about countable noun, we have learned that countable nouns are the names of things that we can count. Okay? Countable nouns are the names of things that we can count. For example, one car, two books, etc. Okay, dear students, and they can be singular like a bag, one dog, okay, and they can be plural like two tables, five chairs, okay, like this way. So countable nouns are what? Countable nouns are the names of things that we can count. That means countable noun we can count. Then uncountable noun. What is its definition? About uncountable noun, we have learned that uncountable nouns are the names of things that we cannot count. Okay. So uncountable nouns are what? The names of things that we cannot count. For example, baggage, rice, work, okay, like this way. From your book, you will learn about some uncountable nouns like household items like toothpaste, shoe polish, the food items like rice, sugar, butter, materials like cloth, silk, leather, liquids like butter, milk, okay, etc. You will get from your book about the examples of uncountable nouns. Now we will do some exercise from our book. Okay, look, our first exercise is what? Circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable nouns. That means you have to circle the countable nouns and you have to give an underline under the uncountable noun. Okay, now we will read about this topic. So in your book you will get some words like basket, coffee, coffee, rose, love, heel, children, music, oil, polish, okay, etc. From your book, by following the example, by following the chart, then you have to find out that which words are countable and which words are uncountable. Okay, so I have written here those words are countable. So what are they? Basket, children, rose, heel, bangle, table, windows. Okay dear students, I am going to read this once again. Basket, children, rose, heel, bangle, table, windows. Okay dear students, and from your book you have to find out the uncountable nouns too. What are they? Coffee, love, music, oil, polish, snow and sugar. Okay, like this you have to make this exercise number 1. Okay, now we will go to the next exercise, exercise number 3, which you will get from your book. Okay dear students, look here, write C for countable nouns and write UC for uncountable nouns. Okay, you have to find out these words, these colored words. You have to find out that which words are countable and which words are uncountable noun here. Okay. Now first sentence is what? There are many chairs in this room. Look here, colored word is what? Chairs. Okay, now we have to identify that chairs is it uncountable or countable noun. Okay, all of us we have known about this that chair is a countable noun. Okay, so chairs here countable. So we have to write here only C. Then number 2, we bought juice for the picnic. So here colored word is what? Juice. And juice is uncountable noun because we can't count it. Now number 3, children must reach school on time. Here colored word is what? Children. And children is, we know that children is countable noun because we can count them. Then number 4, we drink a lot of water in summer. Here colored word is what? Water. And water is what? Uncountable noun because we cannot count what? Water. Now number 5, the teachers in this school are very helpful. Look dear students, here teacher. This word, of course, all of us we know that teacher is a countable noun. because we can count any person. Okay, we can count the persons. Okay. Then number 6, we went to the store to buy some eggs. Okay, dear students, look here, eggs is of course countable noun. Okay, dear students, so this colored word eggs here will be countable noun, and we have to write here only C. Then number 7, the pencils are very blunt. Here this colored word pencil is a countable noun. Then number 8, there is sand on the floor. Sand, we cannot count it. For this reason, sand will be uncountable noun. Okay, dear students, so for this reason you have to write here UC. So here chair countable, juice uncountable, children countable, water uncountable, teacher countable, eggs countable, pencil countable, and sand uncountable noun. Okay, dear students, now we will now I am going to give your next SWO, that is you have to do exercise 3. Okay, dear students, this exercise 3 you have to do as your SW work, and you will write only the answer in your copy. So dear students, submit this on next Saturday and see you again in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.